surrounded by bags, shopping bags all around because I've been shopping a lot. But I also saved a lot because all these things I've bought are on sale. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what all things I bought, and I'm going to just wave out my hair with it. So let's go. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the first one is this peachy little t-shirt that I bought, which has a lot of stuff on it. It's on sale and I got this for around 480 bucks. So yeah. The second thing I bought was again peach and white because I'm obsessed with peach. So this is, I don't know what it's called, but I'll call it a sweat top shirt. Let's just go with that. Yeah. So this I got on sale for around 720 bucks. That's so me because I don't exercise, which is very bad. I know why I'm so happy about that. Then I bought a couple of stuff from H&M. I'll quickly show you guys all the t-shirts that I bought and a dress. Okay, this is a very cute, again with a lot of stickers, and it's a cute t-shirt, crop t-shirt sort of a thing. It says power to the girls. So this top I got for around 699 rupees. Looks nice. It looks very cute. Then the next thing I got is this cute oversized jumper. So this cute olive green jumper was on sale for around 500 bucks. It's cute, isn't it? Okay, and now the cutest thing that I got is this dress. Is this cute skater dress which is in blue and white and which has an Aztec print on it, and it is so pretty. This dress is worth around 800 bucks and it was not on sale. So the next thing I went to Pantaloons, which was crazy because Pantaloons is filled when there's a sale. So my advice to you guys is do not go to Pantaloons when there's a sale, or actually go to Pantaloons but go like early morning or go very late in the evening when the crowd is leaving, because that would be the best time to go and quickly shop because you wouldn't have any queues or anything. You wouldn't have to wait in line to change or wait in line for billing. So I got this cute crop top which is a red tannish color, and it has this cute cutout in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very cute and I really love it. So this I bought from Pantaloons for 700 bucks. What do we have next? So next I bought this cute black cardigan which has 3/4 sleeves and it's very cute, and it has this net in the front and it is normal at the back, but it has this net in the front and it is damn cute, and this I bought for 500 bucks because it was on sale. So go check these out if you like them. So next I went into lifestyle. Ooh, this is my favorite thing ever. So this was from Lifestyle, and how much is this jacket for? Next I have this denim jacket sort of a thing with this white embroidery on it. It's beautiful work actually, and it is all over the jacket. It's on the sleeves as well. And so this jacket is worth around 1500 bucks, and I bought this on 20% discount for around 1200. So I really love it, so I don't care how much I bought it for. I would have bought it if it was not on sale as well. So next I bought this very boho festive kind of a jacket. So it has this thread work on the sleeves, and it has like these cute prints on it all over it. And this is also thread work, which is really pretty. I really like it. It'll be really cool to wear it on Navratri. And this was, I think, the best deal among all of the things I've bought, because this was around 1300 bucks and I got it for 400 rupees. So next I bought these earrings from Accessorize, which are in gold, and these are triangle earrings. I don't know if you can see both of them, but these were very cheap. They were 50% off, and these were actually, I think, for around 600 bucks, and I got it for 300 bucks. So I went to Lokhandwala complex or Lokhandwala market, and I bought a couple of tops from there as well. So I'm just going to quickly show you. So the first thing, I got a jacket again, yes. So this first jacket I bought was from Zaks, and this is black and white print, and I got this for around 300 bucks, and it was on 50% off, and this was the best thing ever because I really love it. It's so cool and it looks so fab. So next was this. So next was this super sexy top that I bought from Zaks again, which was for 250 rupees, and this is a very boho kind of a chic kind of a top, which is red and it has black prints all over it. It's very summery, so I like it. I know summer's gone, but I still like it. And last but not the least, I bought a stripes t-shirt. Yay! I love stripes. And so this is a black and white striped t-shirt, which is a short t-shirt. It's not a crop kind of a t-shirt, but it's very short. So it's nice, and it has a kind of a bow effect on the back, which is also very cute. And it's a skin fit t-shirt, and I really love it. And this was for around 300 bucks from Zaks. I feel like I've not bought enough because I'm never satisfied with the clothes they have. Okay. So that was it, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys liked any of the things I bought. And if you guys went out and shopped in the sale season and bought a lot of stuff, then let me know what y'all bought and from where y'all bought it and for how much y'all bought it. And if you bought enough, then make a video on it. Like anything. Anyway, if you like me, if you want to see me do more such stuff, then subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Done. I'm good. Oh, okay. Actually fell down.